Like I said, I thought about coming here and checking it out because I just saw this road snaking up the mountainside. Thought, where the heck does this go? So I'm just doing these videos for my own satisfaction and fun and experience. But if anybody does watch these and likes doing this kind of exploring, what kind of terrain do you like to explore? Do you like the mountains, or do you like desert exploring? I don't know if I even need to really use gas. This incline is perfect. You need to put the frickin' visor on. Nice old lady. Rocks. Oregon. There's Owens Valley. Yeah. I think we're still good. Yeah, still good. I was a little tighter than I was expecting. Sorry. Getting bugs in my visors. In my visor. Got bugs in my visors, I don't know. Look at this valley, oh my gosh. Look at that. Still see it back there? Yeah? Wow. Nice. There's Diaz Lake over there. That was a lake I went to. Check out. Well, I think this is honestly a pretty nice little road distraction. Get off 395 on at Lone Pine there. Like I said, I thought about coming here and checking it out because I just saw this road snaking up the mountainside. Thought, where the heck does this go? Where does it go? Whoa, what's going on? Yeah, I don't want to be going too fast around this turn. Whoopsies! Oh man, oh man. That is so crazy. Warm again. Now it says it's 82. Just turned 82. Now we are coming up to the little farm of lavender over here. Over here on the right. See a little lavender over here? And I think they got that name because there's lavender in this valley, all over in this valley. You can see some right there, a lot of lavender. But I'll go off the road. Little tucked away farm. That's pretty cool, huh? Okay, we're officially off the mountain. Well, that was pretty cool. And I still got my camera on. Got both my cameras on right now. They're on, they're recording. At least I hope they are. How we doing back there? All right. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Hopefully I got all of that recorded. And off to my left is Mount Whitney. You can see your little switchbacks up there that go up to Mount Whitney, up to the Mount Whitney portal. So if you park, be sure to park off pavement. Don't do any of that funny stuff and park on the pavement, because then, you know, people are going to have to go around you. Might actually hit your car or, you know, bike or whatever. So just park off pavement, okay? Yeah, you do that. Yeah. I think at this point, I still got the camera. As I said before, there's Alabama Hills. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so I'll find some shade and back my cameras. Oh, there's some shade. Going too fast. There's a crick. Thanks for watching.